Hey, hi, and hello, guys. Welcome back to DevLabsai. So, in this video, we are going to solve Google Workspace for Education Managing Services. So, if you're new to the channel, please make sure that please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on DevLabsai, guys. So, just let me log into your credentials, guys. So, just copy your username here and open on admin console in inventor mode. So just paste it here. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah, just paste it here and click on next here and come back, guys, and copy your password and just paste it here and click on next here. So below that, click on I understand. So it's taking a bit time, guys, for loading. So after the terms and conditions, click on this accept terms and conditions here. So come back, guys. So come back and click on task number one. So before task number one, about that, so we want to verify our domain name. So this is the most important and crucial step because our lab will won't get executed in the group section. I will come after that to what is the groups and what are the things to be executed there to create the groups, how to create the groups. So if you not verify the domain name, you can't get an option named as create groups. So make sure that we want to verify our domain. So just come back, guys. So your workspace labs has been loaded here. So just do not do nothing. Click on this verify domain here. So let me follow the each step. So open the link in new tab. So call the domain step and get started. My domain uses different host. So and click on continue. So click on get started, guys, here, and my domain uses different click on this and click on continue on this, and just what to do the next step is come back here and the confirm button and click on confirm. So just click on this and click on confirm. So here our what is that domain will be get ready, guys. So here we don't need to activate our gmail. You it is given a note here, you can see don't activate, do not click activate gmail. So let me return to our admin console. So just come back, guys, and click on this again and open it in inventor mode. So no need this, remove this, and just come back to our admin console and refresh once the page. So our verify domain options you can't see anywhere in this. So everything procedure is completed here. So let me move for task number one. As a task number one, what it is showing, guys, click on the users and add users and add a username. So just come back, guys, and at the directory you can see the users. Click on these users, and the next step is type Alex for first time and More for the last time. Leave it. So just to copy this Alex name here, just copy this and just click on this add user here. So paste it here and come back, and the last name you must add for more. So just copy this without any inverted commas. So just paste it here and click on add new user. And the next step, what it is there, click on add new user. New user added confirmation opens provides username passwords record these logins in a research features. Click on add new user, first name Emma, type Emma. So just copy this name, guys. So just come back here and just click on add another user here. So below this add another user, just paste it here and just come back and copy the hall. So copy this hall and just come back and paste it here and click on add new user. So after adding a new user, you will get a confirmation of the document popped up here. So click on done here and click on this done here. So our two IDs has been created here of the first name. So you can see here if you refresh Alex and More, and again if you refresh here, you can see this Emma Hall has been created here. So let me check our progress in this step, guys. So our first task will be successfully completed, guys. So now let me move for task number two, guys. In the task number two, let me move for the main menu and click on this users here. So in this main menu directory organization unit, we must go for organizer units. So click on this organization units. So the window opens organization unit, Google Workspace. So click on organization unit, create the organization dialog. So copy this teachers, guys, without any full stop. So just copy this and create an organization unit. So paste it here and click on create. So our another we must create another one here. So just come back, guys. So just copy the students also. So students, click on this create and paste it here and click on create. So our two organizational unit has been created. So the next step is, so we must move to our directory and click on users. So at the users, select Alex More. For the top menu option, select the organization unit, change the organization dialog opens. Click teachers unit and continue. So click on this Alex More and click on this more options, change the organization unit. So click on teachers here. So click on continue. So click on change here. So our just refresh once here. So Alex model will be added, don't need to panic. So at the next one is to Emma Hall. Click this Emma Hall here and click on more options, click on change organization unit. So click on this students and click on continue and click on change here guys. So both are being added in teachers as well as students guys. So now let me go for our organization units. So no need guys, just come to our users and click on users from selected. So you can see no more workspace labs you can see here. So if you click on teachers you can see Alex More. As students if you click you can see Hema Hall. So therefore we have been got confirmed that they are at place what we have been changed in organization unit. So just come back guys, and this is a step of the students also. So same step as the teachers what we have been done. So click on check my progress here guys. So our task number 2 has been successfully completed guys. We have to move forward another task guys. So at the main menu directly click on groups guys. So click on groups here. So guys, now it is a time to say that so at the first step I have been said that to verify the domain. If you're not at verify the domain you can't get this type of create group option. So make sure that at the first step follow the step every step in this lab, so that your lab will be easily solved, and it is a bit complicated because every step requires an functional units as well as ticking options. So make sure that follow the each step very carefully. If you miss anything in this video, please make sure that watch once again in this video and then click on and continue your lab as given. So click on this create group here. So at the create group you can see here, copy this Gmail here without any full stop and just come back here and just paste it here at the group email. So just it asking for group email. So type group email, just copy this Gmail group, copy this and just paste it here and add to the copy this workspace is also here. So user workspace owner it displays, so paste it here at the owners below group owners. And now the next step is to click on next here. So click on next here. So in this access settings you must deselect this first three. So entire organizations, below entire organization you must deselect this, you can see here. So we must deselect all this. So after this, for who you can join this, only invited users. So below this only click on this invited users only and click on next here. So after that you can see a create group. So no need to change it anything, directly click on create group. So our create group has been successfully completed. So at the next step, we must add in a group. So what add Emma Hall and users in the teachers organization unit, Alex More and the Emma Hall and users. Okay, so click on this, you can see here, so just remove this, you can do directly. Okay, you can see the add members here. Our in groups, if you come there you can see here outside of the group you can see add members, manage members, edit settings and etc. So click on this add members here and just come back guys, and just copy this Hema Hall and then paste it here and wait for and click on this and just come back and copy this Alex More and then paste it here and wait for a few seconds and click on this and click on add group. So our add group has been done here. So navigate directory groups, click the Gmail group, click the members card and you can see who is in the right side. So no need to check the same, it will be. So now guys, let me check our progress guys of the task number 2. So hopefully we have been completed every step by step by step. So successfully we have been completed this task 2 also. Let me move on task number 3. So this is a crucial step guys and it is a bit complicated. So follow the each step very carefully. So now disable Gmail for students. So just come back here below this app section. So you can see your workspaces Google. Click on this Google Workspace. So many apps will be displayed of the Google's. So click on this Gmail here. So just come back and just we must click on the service status. So click on the service status So click on the students. So set the service status to off. So next, service status to be off here, and click on this override here. So our override, after the override in the email Gmail panel, click groups. So typing Gmail. So copy this Gmail guys, and just come back here, and you can see here groups guys. Click on these groups and search for groups app and paste it here Gmail, and click on this and click on close here. So click on this tick button here on and click on save here. So this is step to be followed here. And after that, disable the calendar method. So now guys, just at the main menu above this Gmail, you can see a calendar. Click on this. So it is asking for disable calendar for everyone. Select for off everyone. So just select the service status, so off for everyone, and click on save. This is easy step, and we can move on next step guys. So at this point of view, you can see the ensure Google Meet is enabled. So make sure that for everyone, it is for everyone I think. So let me come below and click on this Google Meet here. So click on the service status, and it is on for everyone, no need to change here. So after this Google Meet is enabled, ensure classroom is enabled. So go to main apps and click on additional services and additional. So classroom services on for everyone, turn on for everyone. So this is no need to enable this is a normal procedure. So you can see here at the additional Google services, you must go here and then find classrooms here. So you can find the classrooms here. So here, and it is on for everyone, you can make sure that once again. So now another step is enable drive but disable external file sharing. So just come back guys, and above this Google Workspace, you can see that drive and docs here. Above the Gmail, you can say drive and docs. So at this point of view, you can see service, to click on the service status, and click on for everyone. If needed, expand the service status, select on for everyone, and click save here. So click on for everyone, and it is saved already. So at the next step guys, still on the settings drive and docs page, select the expand sharing settings, and then over these sharing options, and click sharing options dialog option. So at this point of view, come back here, drive and docs here, click once again here. At the sharing settings, click on this. So you can see here, click on the sharing options, click on this pencil icon here. So it is saying that of files owned by users, shared drives, workspace labs. So of files, shared drives, Google Workspace lab, this might be, and deselect this allow users once. Make sure that select this off and deselect the tick one, and it must be empty here, don't need to select there. So it is given uncheck allow users Google. See, as it I have been said, it has been done here. So the next step is click on save here. So after that, come below and click on save here. So after save, let me check our progress of the task number 3. So click on check my progress here. So our task number 3 has been successfully completed guys. So let me move on task number 2, apps or APIs access control. So as in main menu, show more, security, access, data and control, APIs control. So let me move and just at the below there is a show more option here. Click on the show more option, you can see security. Click on this security and click on this access and data control, and click on API controls. So our API controls will be opened here. So now API control, app access control. Click on app access control. Okay, at the app access control we are there. So app access settings, create message. Okay, so let me may manage Google services here. Click on this. So this is not what they have been said there. Click on settings, sorry. So come back guys, once again. So click on the setting guys. So at the customer user message, click on this pencil icon here, and make sure that copy this access denied and paste it here. Make sure that it must be on here, and make sure that paste it here, and click on save here. And after the next step, check don't allow users to access it any third party apps and save. So now configure third party and click on this pencil icon once again here, and don't allow users to access any third party apps. Click on this and click on save, guys. So guys, I hope you have been following the every steps very carefully, guys. So now guys, let's just come back and then let me check our progress, guys. So our task number 4 also successfully completed. So there is no more check my progress in this lab. So you can go through once if you require more and more knowledge in this. So this is our lab, guys. Our lab has been successfully completed. So if you need to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on DevLabsai, guys. Let me meet on next video, guys. Thank you.